Be true to your work, your words and your friend. Welcome again in e-learning classes, dear students. This is your social science teacher Priyanka Khandelwal. Hope you all are doing well. Dear students, in this video I will explain to you about our country main cities, that is metropolitan cities. Lesson 4, metropolitan cities. So let's start with fun. First, what is meant by metropolitan? Metropolitan means a very large and thickly populated city. And in our country, there are main 4 metropolitan cities: Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata. So one by one, let's see in these metropolitan cities culture, climate, places of interest and many other things. So let's start, dear students. First we see about Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of India. It's the metropolitan city. Delhi is located on the banks of river Yamuna. It is also known as the National Capital Territory. That is short form NCT of Delhi. New Delhi became the capital of independent India in 1947 when India became free from British rule. What's about culture of Delhi? People living in Delhi are from various regions of the country. Therefore, it is like mini India or a melting pot of cultures. Hindi is the most widely spoken language in Delhi. Punjabi, Urdu and English are other common languages. Let's say about festival. Which festival celebrated in Delhi? That is the Diwali, Holi, Eid, Navratri and Dashera. Also Lohri are a few major festivals celebrated in Delhi. Now it's related to famous sweet dishes. Mouth watering when we listen that name. That is chole bhature, butter chicken and chaat are some of the famous food items eaten in Delhi. Let's see about what's about climate of Delhi. And the Delhi experiences long hot summer and cold winters. Related to transport of Delhi, that is apart from the Delhi Transport Corporation, that is DTC, buses, an important form of public transport in the city of Delhi, that is metro. Now let's see some places of interest. When you visit the Delhi, these places you go. That is, Delhi is famous for its historical monuments such as the Qutub Minar, which is the world's tallest brick minaret. Other famous monuments and places of interest are the Humayun's Tomb, Red Fort, Lotus Temple, Bangla Sahib and Jama Masjid. Now, I explain to you about more famous places and their reasons. That is first, India Gate. India Gate is the national monument built in the memory of Indian soldiers who sacrifices their lives for our country. Then the Rajghat. Rajghat is a memorial to the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Then Rashtrapati Bhavan. Rashtrapati Bhavan is the residence of the first citizen of our country, the President of India. Then the Parliament. Parliament House is where the laws of our country are made. Dear students, memorial means a structure built to honor a person or event. Now, let's see about Mumbai. Mumbai is earlier known as Bombay. It is the capital of Maharashtra. It is located on the western coast of India along the Arabian Sea. It is also known as the economic capital of India. Did you know Mumbai is made of 7 islands? And tell me also, Mumbai is known as what? Of course, Mumbai is known as the city of dreams. What about Mumbai transport? The Rajiv Gandhi Sea Link connects the western areas of Mumbai to South Mumbai. Second, transport related, the Mumbai Suburban Railway runs the network to local trains in the city, which people used to commute in and around the city. And third point related transport, that is Mumbai has the largest container port in the country called Jawaharlal Nehru Port. What's about Mumbai climate? That is Mumbai experiences warm, humid summers and pleasant winters. The city receives heavy rainfall during the monsoon season. Student, tell me about what's the meaning of container port? Yes, container port means a port that specializes in goods transported in containers. Now, let's see the culture of Mumbai. Marathi is first, we see about language. Marathi is the language spoken by the most people in Mumbai. Hindi, Urdu, Gujarati and Konkani are also spoken in Mumbai. Festival related Mumbai, that is Ganesh Chaturthi, is the most widely celebrated festival in the city. Navratri, Holi, Diwali, Eid and Christmas are also celebrated in the city. The city is the birthplace of the Hindi film industry, popularly known as Bollywood. A great variety in food items is also found in Mumbai. That is vada pav, pav bhaji and tasty bhel puri are very popular. Let's see famous places of Mumbai, that is Marine Drive, Nehru Planetarium, Juhu Beach, Hanging Garden, Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, Haji Ali Dargah. Then students, hope you very well understood about Delhi and Mumbai. In the next part of video, I will explain to you about Kolkata and Chennai. Till you revise thoroughly whole things, learn about Delhi and Mumbai, climate, transport, food dishes, languages, famous place, and eat healthy, be safe. Thank you.